Hello, Sandor Katz here. I am an author and I call myself a fermentation revivalist, and I teach people about fermentation, mostly how simple and straightforward and safe traditional fermentation processes are and how easy they are to adapt to home kitchens. I'll be sharing simple, straightforward techniques for home fermentation and also discussing ways in which fermentation makes nutrients in food more available to us. This happens in many ways, what I'd call pre-digestion, breaking down nutrients into simpler forms, making minerals that have chemical bonds that our bodies can't break down those bonds so we can access the minerals. Fermentation generates additional nutrients and lots of special micronutrients that can have benefits for us. And of course, the bacteria themselves that are still intact in ferments that aren't cooked or heat processed after their fermentation can help to promote biodiversity in the gut and potentially improve digestion, improve overall immune function, and potentially even mental health. So many different aspects of our health. So I hope some of you will join me at the College of Naturoapthic Medicine, and I'm very much looking forward to it. Thanks for your interest.